everyone, welcome to week 2. This week we'll be focusing on multi-part essays and multi-part plus opinion essays. This week you'll have preparation materials, discussion boards, an assignment to submit, and you'll also have a mini ebook which includes 15 samples of essays this time for the 4 types of essays. Head to Unit 1, Module 2. When you click on Module 2, you'll need to read the module overview to get introduced to the objectives, what you'll be required to do this week, and the topics that we'll cover this week in addition to key terms. After you go over the module overview, head to the preparation materials and knowledge checks. And again, here you have materials to practice. You got to watch this video, and throughout the video, you're going to find multiple knowledge checks. And this section over here is optional, but it's highly recommended, especially in case you need to enhance your language for writing the upcoming essays. When you click on this arrow, you're going to find the assignment requirements. Read this carefully and then head to the mini book to get to read some samples. You'll need to go over this mini book because that'll help you in discussion board number 1, the treasure hunt. Please read the instructions here and then submit your post. After this discussion board, you're going to get feedback on your essay, same as we did in Module 1. So here you're going to post your essays and you're going to get feedback from your classmates in addition to myself, and you'll give one another feedback as well. This is really helpful to teach you how to assess your own IELTS task. That's a very useful skill in the test itself. It could save your score. And then once you get feedback on your essays, make any changes that need to be made, modify language, modify ideas, whatever you need to do before you submit your task here in the submission. So the submission is right over here. Submit both of your essays here. That's week 2. Looking forward to reading your essays and seeing your valuable feedback on your classmates' essays. Thank you so much for watching this. If you have any questions, please reach out.